Hi, my name's Paul Newsome. My company's Intelligent AV and Electrical. We specialise in smart homes and commercial spaces. We can do lighting design, audio, cinemas, media rooms. We work a lot with architects and interior designers and clients to maximise the experience for the customer and get the best value for money. The goal was to create a great cinema experience in a room that was multifunctional. The client didn't want a bespoke standalone cinema room where he didn't feel that he'd get that much use and would actually go into a room just to watch a movie. He wanted it to blend into this space for his bar and his pool table and then the family living. The client wanted it to be really dark and he likes blacks. The interior design company incorporated the old natural woods which we've used repeatedly through the house. The shapes of the tiles are designed from nuts and bolts, which is quite key to the client's background, and natural stones, and as many natural products to be used as possible. The interior designer came up with a great idea of putting the two tropical fish tanks either side, and then from discussion it was decided that we'd go with a deco screen, and they really like holidays in the Maldives, so we found an image of an island that they like to visit, and we used that image to work at side of the tropical fish tanks to give that a theme. And obviously when the cinema's not in use, that part of the room becomes part of the bar. So it seamlessly can transform from cinema to entertainment space by the click of a button. Yeah, we've got a 724 Dolby Atmos system. We went for an Anthem AVR because of the performance and paired it with a Paradigm Elite Series in walls and ceiling speakers. We find that because they're both from the same manufacturer, the Paradigm speakers perform so well when they're paired with the Anthem amplifiers. We went in ceilings just to keep it clean, just working alongside the interior designer. Getting on walls would have compromised the look of the coat walling and the timber. So again, it's a compromise, but it's a compromise that after discussion with the client and the designer, everybody was quite happy to make. And the fact that with these Paradigm speakers, they're directional, we are creating the best effect we can with the design aspect being paramount. We've got a 4K projector on a lift so that it falls away when it's not in use, to keep that seamlessness of the room not appearing to be a cinema. I just think Kaleidoscope's a great product. The benefit for the client is they're getting a fully uncompressed content that's downloadable onto a hard drive and can be viewed as many times as they want without having to go and put a disc in. And they get the quality of Blu-ray with the modern convenience of streaming, plus they get the Kaleidoscope interface, which just looks fantastic. Yeah, we've got a nice home management system in here that's controlling all aspects of the house, and we've got a Clipsal lighting solution. So the client, at the touch of a button, can turn the cinema on, dim the lights, control everything really. The main challenge was really just trying to make it flow, that as you move from the cinema seating area into the bar and then into the sort of games area, that it all flowed through, which we really tried to enhance that by using as much LED and or lunar lighting as possible. Incorporating the bar in this space was a challenge, and making sure that again, how the interior designers had designed the bar actually could work, and we could get that lighting in there and make it look as good as it's actually turned out to be. It's totally different from a standard cinema where we'd be using acoustic fabrics and working that way. After speaking to Dave, who was the designer, about what we needed to try and achieve on the walls, his idea was he'd used a cork effect on a previous project, and we looked into it and found out what the absorption qualities were and the shapes of it. So we just thought it were a fantastic design. Yeah, we find Pulse to be really helpful in the fact that they can do as much or as little as you need on a project. We tied in with Pulse because we were looking for somebody to help in some of the design aspects of cinemas. We'd done quite a lot ourselves, but we wanted to go to that next level, and Pulse will design and do renders for you if you need them on projects, and you've got the backup knowing that you're working with a company that's got years of experience delivering fantastic cinema spaces. To help even further, Pulse came to site and helped us install this screen because we'd not done one before, and they helped us along the way and helped us set it all up. And then obviously they came and did all the calibration for the acoustic and the video once the cinema room was up and running. The product's been fantastic from start to finish, working alongside the interior designers and the other trades on site. Everybody gave their all to get the quality and the finish that this house has got. Clients are really happy. We're blown away with the cinema system when they used it the first few times. If you're impressed with what you've seen and what we've delivered in this space, we'd love to work with you on your projects. We'll work as either interior designers and architects or individual clients. We've got the experience for design. We're a small family-run business, and we like to enhance and deliver great projects. Give us a call.